Hey everyone, this is Roy Powell with Team Diva Real Estate and Coldwell Banker Bain. We are up here in Pinehurst at our new condo listing, and I thought it's a dreary day outside. It's the perfect time for me to show you how I make a fall old-fashioned. Okay, so to start off, we're gonna start with rye whiskey, because that's my favorite. We're gonna go ahead and throw a shot of that into some ice. I don't like mine super sweet, so I do just a tiny bit of simple syrup. Pop in some bitters. And on top of all of that, I've got some allspice dram. That's what makes it fall, not pumpkin spice. All right, we're gonna give that a stir. While I'm stirring this, why don't you go ahead and check out the rest of the condo? I'll have cocktails up shortly. Okay, once we've got a good stir on that, go ahead and add a cherry and an orange peel. Strain in our cocktail. Now that you've got the perfect fall old-fashioned, who am I going to share it with?
Somebody say cocktail? Thanks, Roy.
Hey, you're welcome. Cheers.
Cheers.
So we're Roy and Michael with Team Diva Real Estate. Thanks for coming by and sharing this amazing condo and cocktails with us. Happy house hunting.
Cheers.